Today in Granny's kitchen we're going to do Scottish square slice sausage. I've prepared quite a lot of the ingredients already, which is a pound of minced beef and a pound of minced pork, which you can mix together. Now I tend to mix this, blend it down even further, very finely in my food processor. You also need 5 slices, which is 1.5 cups approximately, of breadcrumbs. And again, I've done all these breadcrumbs in my Kenwood food processor. Now for the sausage spice, what I have finalised for my sausage spice is a half teaspoonful of quite a few spices, plus some salt and pepper, coriander, etc. So if you look at the recipe card on the Facebook group, it will identify exactly what I've used in this particular spice mixture, which is a teaspoonful of ground black pepper, a teaspoonful of salt, 1.5 teaspoonfuls of coriander, half a teaspoonful of nutmeg, half teaspoonful of mace, half teaspoonful of paprika, garlic powder, we've got onion powder, we've got thyme, parsley and sage. And what I have done with that, I further broke those 3 spices down, the parsley, sage and thyme, in my coffee blender. And all of that is in this little dish. So what I'm going to do first of all, just add all those spices and all of the breadcrumbs. The easiest way to do this is with your hands. Now if you give your hands a good scrub and keep them wet, it makes it easier to mix the mixture. As I add in 120 mils of water. So I'm just going to mix all of that up together. So it looks quite like a sausage mixture now. And the beauty of square sausage is there's no sausage skin as such. Served with a potato scone, which I'm about to make and put on the Facebook group as well. The recipe cards are all there for you to download if you want to try this for yourself. So I've lined the 2-pound loaf tin. Just squeeze it in as firmly as possible. It's better to chill it, slice it, then freeze it and take out the individual portions. So once it's flattened down, cover up all the cling film and it goes in the fridge for 2 hours before we take it out and slice up.